how to speed up your WordPress website. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can make your WordPress website faster. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So first things first, as you can see, I'm logged into my WordPress dashboard and I'm not doing anything. And if I come over here, click on visit my site, open up my website, it takes at least 2 to 3 minutes, maybe 4 seconds to fully load up my website, right? Because I have a bunch of things going on over here. So let's go ahead and copy the URL. All right, now we're going to go over to this website called GT Metrics. Now, what is this? This website basically helps you to calculate your website and how you can make it faster. Basically, it gives you all of the information to make your website faster. So as you can see, we have Vancouver, Canada using Chrome. This is basically the analysis option. Basically, it's going to check the Canadian server for my website and see how fast I get. So I'm just simply going to paste my URL over here. As you can see, it's already pasted. Let's simply click on test your site. Now what it's going to do, it's going to take some time to test my website. Is basically adding job queues, basically, finding a server to test my website on. So let's just wait a couple of seconds for it to do that, and once it's done, it'll give us the information that we need to see how fast is our website. So while it does that, let me just go back onto our dashboard and just look at the website itself as well. So we have our report over here. So as you can see, the GT metrics, it gives us an 8. The performance is 100%. The structure is 81, and the largest contentful paint is 600 milliseconds, so which is pretty big. And over here, as you can see, the fully loaded time is 4.2 seconds, which is not good at all. It should be at least 2.9 or 3 seconds. A good website should load less than 3 seconds. That is what Google says to make it more efficient. So over here we have a lot of different things so going on over here. So over here at the bottom we have our total page size, which is 6.17 megabytes. So others is 3.34, images 1.29, and JS is 1 MB. So other things looks good, but this thing right here, the others and the images, it's pretty big. We need to cut those sizes down to make it faster. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go back to our dashboard, and we're going to click on plugin, and we're going to click on add new, and we're going to come over here and we're going to search for WP Optimize. This plugin right here is called WP Optimize. It basically caches, cleans, and compress a lot of things on your website. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on install now. It has been installed. Now we're going to go ahead and click on activate to activate the plugin itself. And once it's done that, we can move on. So over here, as you can see, the plugin has been activated. It says so right here, plugin activated. Now at the bottom over here on the left side, we see WP Optimize. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on it to take us over to the dashboard of this plugin. And over here, as you can see, we have a bunch of different options. So over here, we can select all of these things so that it can be optimized, run all selected optimizations. So we're going to click on run all selected optimizations, and we're going to wait a couple of seconds for it to optimize our website. And once it's done that, we can go ahead and test our website again. So right now it's optimizing the database tables. So let's just wait a couple of seconds. So I'm going to pause the video right here, right now, and I will catch you guys in a second once it's done. So it's taking some time. So while it does that, what we're going to do is we're going to go over here onto the top over here. As you can see, we have database, we have images, caches, and minify. What we're going to do is we're going to go over to the images section, and what we're going to do is we're going to compress our images. So over here, as you can see, we have our options over here. Prioritize maximum compression. What it will do, it will loosely compress to ensure maximum savings per images. So we're going to scroll this wheel all the way down, as you can see over here, and once it's done, we are good to go. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go into the caches over here, and we have lifespan over here, 24-hour lifespan, time after which a new cache version will be generated. 0 is only equal when cache is emptied. So this is good. So now we'll just wait for the database to finish up the optimization, and then we can go ahead and view our website and see if it worked or not. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video again, and I will catch you guys in a second. All right, so as you can see, it says optimization complete. It's done. We are good to go. Now what we're going to do is let's go ahead and take a look at our website. We'll copy the URL again. We're going to go back to GTM metrics, and what we're going to do is we're going to go back and test our site again. So now let's see if it works or not. It should have worked. For you, it might be even better because I have a lot of junk on my website, because this is a testing website. I do a lot of videos on it, you might have recognized it. So let's just see how it looks like. All right, so it's done. It's generating report, and as you can see, it's 3.9 seconds. So it has done better. So performance is 99%, the structure has increased, and the time has increased for the size for the large contentful paint as well. So as you can see, overall it did work. My website has been optimized better. So before it took like 4.7 seconds, I think, or 4.4 or 4.2 actually, I'm not sure, but right now it says 3.9. So it did work right now. And if I come over here, I reload the website. Let me just reload it. I think it's because of the video that I've added, and maybe if I remove the video, I could. So if I come over here, right click on this image and I click on inspect, and over here, as you can see, the file size has been reduced to 37.4 KB. So the image has been reduced, which means that it has been compressed successfully. So as you can see, it works. Just simply download this plugin over here called WP Optimize, and you are good to go. Another good plugin to, optimize your website is through an SEO plugin called Yoast SEO. So we'll just search for Yoast over here. Okay, I don't have that. Wait, let me just go over here and add new plugin. So over here, this is the plugin Yoast SEO. What it will do is you'll need to know a little bit about SEO, search engine optimization, and then you are good to go. So if I click on install now, let me just show you. I'm not an expert on SEO or anything like that, but I do know a little bit of things. So we're going to go ahead and install and activate this plugin, and I'm going to show you a little bit of things that you can do. So the main things that you are going to be doing is adding, like over here, if I come over here, click on Yoast, as you can see, it has been updated and activated over here at the top. So the main thing that you can do is basically you can, like, change some of the things. So basically you can optimize some of the permalinks that you have to better. So this is my free plan over here. So we can over here, as you can see, optimize SEO data. So we can go ahead and continue. What we need to do is we need to add a site representation, basically site name important, select images, and then we can add in social profiles, and then that will help the SEO to improve the final workout. So these are some of the things that you can do. For greater and faster workloads, you will need to unlock the premium version so that you can clean up your unlinked content and make sure that people can find it. That way your website will be properly loaded. So your website is one of the best things that you can do to actually make your website faster, so keep that in mind. So these are the things that you needed to know. First things first is you need to optimize your website with WP Optimize. Then you can use the Yoast SEO to search engine optimize your website to make it faster. And once it's faster, your website time should be at least 2.8 or 2.9, maybe even 2.5 if you are doing it properly, but it all depends on you. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. And if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. And also guys, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications. And having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.